Welcome to Excel Magic Trick number 244. Hey, if you want to download this workbook and follow along, click on my YouTube channel and click on my college website link. You can download the workbook, Excel Magic Trick 233 to 245. Hey, in this trick here we have a little database and we want to extract records onto a different sheet. Now we have payment type cash, so we want all the cash records on a different sheet and all the credit card ones on a different sheet. The trick, well, what we're going to do is we're going to use advanced filter, and if you're going to another sheet, the trick is to start on that sheet. Now I'm going to highlight these three and Control C. Now I want to insert a sheet right before 245, so I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut Shift F11. You can also just right click and point to insert if you want. And then I'm going to hit Shift F11 because I want two sheets. This one's going to be called cash. Double click this one, and this one will be called credit card. I'm going to start in A1 and I'm going to Control V. Now this will be credit card, so I'm going to get rid of that cash, delete that. This is our field name and this is our criterion, CC. So when we run our advanced filter, it'll look through this, find all the CCs and extract those records. All right, ready? In 2007 you go to Data, Advanced Filter. In 2003 you go to Data Menu, Filter, Advanced Filter. Now the trick is we want to say copy to location and this list range. Well, I got it totally wrong. So I'm going to just click on this sheet and highlight the table. The criteria range is going to be the field name and the criteria on their CC. And copy to, I'm going to say right there. Click OK. And there it is. Just like that, we've extracted our records. Now let's do that again, but for cash. Control C. Control V, and I'm going to type cash. That'll be our criterion. All right, advanced filter, Alt AQ, copy to another location. The list range is right here. Get our whole little range. The criteria is going to be field name and the one row below. Copy to, I'm going to say right here. Click OK. And sure enough, now it has all of the cash records. So that's how to do advanced filter to extract to a new sheet. The whole trick is you start on the sheet where you want your data to go. All right, we'll see you next trick.